Good morning, 10th. This is page number 153, endocrine system. We were doing hormone. Definition you have to learn: secretion from some glandular part of the body which is poured directly into blood and which acts on the target organs or cells of the same individual, bringing about coordination between distant parts of the body. So it travels through blood and acts on target organs or cells, although it is reaching to each and every part of the body, but it is showing effects only on the organ where it is required for. Now blanks are there in progress check. Regulation of activities inside the body are brought about by nervous and endocrine systems. Both hormones are secreted directly into blood. Okay, chemically some hormones are protein spelling you have to write correctly, some steroids, some amines. Okay, then both excess or deficiency of hormones lead to serious consequences. Excess is called as hypersecretion, deficiency is hyposecretion. Hormones produced in one species usually show similar influence in other species. Then characteristics: site of action, they are showing action on target organs. Chemically they are peptides, amines or steroids. Manner of transportation is they are transported by blood. Now endocrine glands. Principal endocrine glands in the human body have been shown in figure 12.1. okay, that diagram is on next page. So which these four are in our syllabus: adrenal, thyroid, pancreas and pituitary, and these we have to learn their location and their functioning. Okay, so move to the next page, page number 154. This is the diagram where they are explaining the location. This is hypothalamus. Here we have pituitary gland, thyroid gland present in the neck area, okay, below larynx, front part of neck. Then stomach mucosa also secretes some enzymes. Pancreas, that is the gland present below the stomach in the fold of duodenum. Adrenal glands present above each kidney, cap-like structures. Then testis in males and ovary in female. So those given with blue are in our syllabus. First of all, we are discussing adrenal glands. These are like caps on the top of each kidney, and each adrenal gland consists of two parts: a cortex, that is central medulla, and the peripheral cortex. Cortex is the peripheral area. Then adrenal medulla, means each one is having different function. Adrenal medulla secretes adrenaline, also called as epinephrine or noradrenaline. Adrenaline is a hormone which prepares the body to meet any emergency situations: for fight, that is to face danger, or for flight, to run away from the danger. Extra energy and strength is provided to the body in that situation, and extra hormone is released into the blood at the time of emotional stress. When excited or angry, our adrenals produce lots of adrenaline, and the gland itself is stimulated by nerve endings of autonomous nervous system. Underline this and you have to learn. Table is given where we can we just see heart, how body part is affected. Adrenaline, heart beats faster, blood pressure increases. While biological advantage would be it will send more glucose and oxygen to the muscles for running or any other action, body muscle movement. Breathing center of the brain, that is also affected, okay, that will affect in resulting in faster and deeper breathing, resulting in more oxygen intake. Increased oxygenation of blood will occur, and its effect or sensation is panting. This one thumping of heart, this one panting of heart. Increased oxygenation of blood, rapid removal of carbon dioxide would be done. Then arterioles of the skin, what is the effect of adrenaline? They constrict, so skin will be having less supply of blood. Less blood flowing to the skin means more is available to the muscles for action, and person turns pale, it results in person turns pale. Then arterioles of the digestive system, digestion becomes slow, so they are constrict, and less blood to the digestive system, which allows more blood to reach the muscles. and it makes the mouth dry. Then muscles of the body are tensed. They are ready for immediate action. Tense feeling, shivering may also occur. Then liver, what is the effect? Conversion of glycogen into glucose, because glucose is the substrate for respiration. So more energy is required for quick action. For that, glycogen will be converted into glucose. Glucose available in blood for energy production, and it results no sensation is felt, means effect on sensation is not there. Then fat deposits, conversion of fats into fatty acids, and fatty acids available in blood for muscle contraction, no sensation is felt. In addition, adrenaline also increases clotting capacity of blood, dilates pupil of the eye, stimulates urine contraction during labor of the, that is delivery of the baby, and stimulates muscle of the hair follicle. So these functions are in general as the same as sympathetic autonomic nervous system we have done there. So these are the effects. Then what are the functions of adrenaline? That is also called as emergency hormone, because it is preparing the body for emergency. It increases heartbeat accompanied by an increase in blood pressure. It increases blood supply to the muscles while decreasing it to the skin and visceral organs, and more glucose is released into the blood by liver, like putting more fuel into the engine. So final dash to win a race is under the influence of adrenaline. Then adrenal cortex secretes many hormones, but the best known hormone is cortisone, which suppresses inflammation. Okay, so cortical hormones are categorized as mineralocorticoids and glucocorticoids. They regulate the metabolism of minerals, especially sodium and potassium, and glucocorticoids regulate carbohydrate, protein, and fat metabolism. So in general, cortical hormones increases blood glucose concentration, influences fat and protein metabolism, regulates salt and water balance in the body, and adapt the body to stress such as extreme heat, cold, burn, and infection. Certain cortical hormones behave like sex organs, sex hormones, and they are both male as well as female hormone in both the sexes. An overgrowth of cortex in young children leads to premature sexual maturity. See, there are abnormal conditions. What are the effects of adrenaline, hyposecretion, and hypersecretion? That all, as well as of cortisone, that we have to learn. I will explain in next video. Thank you.